how to see the next state and the output. Whenever the next state and the outputs are equal, then you can club those two states together. That is the thing. For example, in this particular state table, if you see AF is available here, AF is also available here. And if you see the output 0, 1 is available here, 0, 1 is available here. So I can club these two states together. Instead of using G, I can use E. Wherever G is available in my state table, that G can be replaced as E. Okay, so that's the thing. So that I can eliminate this G. Instead of G, I can call it as E. Okay, so that's the next thing. So before reducing it, I have to check whether before reduction and after reduction are working perfectly or not. For that, some input sequence I am taking. That input sequence I have to give to a particular state, and I will be getting some output. Okay, so if the same output when giving this input is available after reduction, then I can say my state reduction is working perfectly. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that for this state diagram, I'm taking an input sequence. This input sequence we are assuming. Okay, it's not the sequence given by someone or not. So we are assuming some input sequence. Here the input sequence is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This input sequence I am going to give for the state diagram before reduction, so that it will give out some output. The same input sequence after reduction also I am going to give. If the same output if I observe, then my reduction is correct. So this is the only method which is used for the proof of correctness. So now I am starting from the state A. It's not essential you have to start from A. You can start from any state, but you have to cover all the states. So that in that manner you have to give this input sequence. Sometimes in your questions this input sequence will also be given for the testing purpose. Okay, so now for the state A, I'm going to give the 0 first. If I'm giving 0 for this A, it is staying in the same state A, that is represented in the next. Okay, so for the A, I'm giving the input 0. It is producing the output 0, and the next state where it is going is A, that is it is staying in the same state. Now I'm taking the next input 1. If I'm giving 1, it is producing the output 0, and it is going to the next state B. For the B in the input sequence, the third number is 0. So that number I'm giving, and it is giving the output 0, and it is going to the next state C. So similarly, this input sequence I'm giving so that it is covering all the states equally. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again, now finally it is coming back to E. Okay, in that manner you have to design an input sequence and you have to give the input. And now this particular input sequence is producing the output 5 zeros, 1 1, 0 1 0 0. So this is before reduction. After reduction also, if I get the same output for this input sequence, then I can say my state reduction is correct. So now the next state how I can get, that is the next stage of the state table. I already told you, if you compare the next states of E and G, they are going to the next states AF, that is the next states are equal, and also the output produced by the states E and G are also equal. So I can club these two states together. So now if you see the next state table, you can observe only A, B, C, D, E and F, where E is having only A and F. Since G is not available in the next state, we are not replacing any G's. In case if you observe any G in your next state, you can replace those G's as E, because we are clubbing E and G together. Any doubt up to this? I'm waiting in the chat window. You can turn on your mic, or you can give a request in the chat window. I'm waiting for some 30 seconds.
Coronavirus.
Who is that coronavirus? Who is that coronavirus has left? Huh? I'm just observing a name called as coronavirus in my window. Who is that? Okay, any doubt up to this? I'm waiting here for some 30 seconds.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Srinivasan.
Could you explain the sequence, please, once again? And the sequence
Yeah.
input output எடுத்தோம்ல அத மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க திருப்பி.
Input sequence you have to assume. எப்படி அஸ்யூம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா அது எல்லா ஸ்டேட்ஸையும் கவர் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு இன்புட் சீக்வன்ஸ் நம்ம ரெடி பண்ணிக்கணும். ப்ராபப்ளி இந்த இன்புட் சீக்வன்ஸ் வந்து கொஸ்டின்ல கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அதை வச்சு நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்ப நீங்க இங்க பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த இன்புட் சீக்வன்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. திஸ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு கிவ் ஃப்ரம் ஏ. ஏல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்புட் ஐ எம் கிவிங் டு ஏ. இஃப் ஐ எம் கிவிங் ஏ தட் இஸ் 0 to A, it is producing the output 0 and it is staying in the same state A. Correct? So now for the state A, now you see this sequence. For the state A, I am giving the input 0. It is producing the output 0 and it is going to the next state A. If in the next state ன்னு ஒன்னு இருக்குல்ல அதுக்கு வந்து I have to give this input, next input இப்ப 1 இருக்கு அதை நான் இங்க கொடுக்கிறேன். இப்ப suppose for this A, if I'm giving 1, it is producing the output 0 and it is going to the next state B that you can observe in the state diagram. இப்ப இந்த A க்கு 1 கொடுக்கிறேன், it is producing the output 0 and it is going to the next state B. அப்ப ரெண்டு இந்த input sequence first 2 numbers முடிஞ்சிச்சு. third number 0 வந்து நான் இப்ப B க்கு கொடுக்கிறேன். இப்ப B க்கு 0 கொடுத்தா எங்க போகுது? C. ஓகே, அது C போயிட்டு அவுட்புட் வந்து 0 ன்னு ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. அவ்வளவுதான். சோ B க்கு இன்புட் 0 கொடுத்தா அவுட்புட் 0 ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட் C க்கு போகுது. அதே மாதிரி C பார்த்தோம்னா now I am giving 1 கொடுத்தா it is going to the next state D and it is producing the output 0 that you can observe in your state diagram also. இப்ப C பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு வந்து நான் இன்புட் வந்து 1 கொடுக்கிறேன். 1 கொடுத்தா it is C க்கு 1 கொடுக்கும்போது it is going to the next state D and it is producing the output 0. Okay, so C க்கு 1 கொடுத்தோம்னா it is going to the next state D and it is producing the output 0. Similarly, you have to see all the other things. Okay, any other doubts? Okay, if there are no queries, I am just proceeding to the next slide. So now if you see now the two states are equal, E and G. இங்க AF இருக்கிறது. moreover அவுட்புட்டும் சேமா இருந்தா மட்டும் இந்த ரெண்டு ஸ்டேட்டை நான் கம்பைன் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Eயும் Gயும் கம்பைன் பண்றேன். அப்ப G எலிமினேட் பண்ணிட்டு நான் வேற AB CD EF மட்டும் வச்சுக்கிறேன். So now if you see no again in this if you observe AB வேற எங்கயாவது இருக்கா பாருங்க. There is no AB. CD also it is not available. AD it's not available. But EF if you see no EF is available here also. You compare D and F. D and F la if you see EF is available. EF is producing the output 0 1. Therefore I can combine DF together so that I can replace all F's as D. எங்கெல்லாம் என்னோட ஸ்டேட் டேபிள்ல F இருக்கோ அதை நான் வந்து D ன்னு மாத்திக்கிறேன். அப்போ so after the reduction if you observe all the F's were combined as D. இப்ப இந்த state tableம் இந்த state tableம் compare பண்ணீங்கன்னா here it is B D D, here also D because the state I am going to eliminate this F. F எல்லாத்தையும் நான் இப்ப D ன்னு மாத்திக்கிறேன். So now if you see no it is A B C D and the next states are also available. Output is available. Yeah, okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Hey, I just want to know who is that coronavirus. The coronavirus, I am just muting you and I am just quitting you from the meeting. I quitted coronavirus from the meeting. Meetingல நான் வந்து எடுத்துட்டேன். Okay, right. So now if you see the states reduced states are available with the next state and the output. இப்ப அதுக்கு நான் வந்து state diagram போட்டுக்கிறேன். இப்ப A எடுத்துக்கிறேன். A க்கு input 0 கொடுத்தா it is producing the output 0 and it is staying in the same state A. இப்ப A க்கு 0 கொடுத்தா output 0 கொடுக்குது and it is also staying in the same state A. Okay, for the state A if I am giving the input 1, it is going to the next state B and it is producing the output 0. So if you observe in the state table You can very well observe it and you can convert that into what? The state diagram. The state, I'm just giving the input as 1. It is going to the next state B and it is producing the output 0. Okay. So state adukku na B1 nu kudutana, it is going to the next state B and it is producing the output 0. So similarly, I'm just saying about B. For the state B, if I'm giving the input equal to 0, it is going to the next state C. 0 kudutha next state C porudhu, and moreover it is producing the output 0, therefore it is also 0. Now for the state B, if I'm giving the input as 1, it is going to the next state D. So now if you see B 1 kudutha, it is going to the next state D and it is producing the output 0. So it is 0. So hereafter, if you compare, no, there are no equivalent state. Therefore, I'm just stopping the diagram and also the state table. So now I have to check whether my state diagram after reduction is working perfectly or not. Therefore, the same input sequence I'm taking 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. So I have to give this input sequence to this particular A, starting with A. And I'm getting the same output 5 zeros 1 1 0 1 0 0. So before reduction also we saw the same output we got, and after reduction also the same output we are getting. So from this we can come to the conclusion that our state diagram is working perfectly after reduction also. Any doubt? I'm just waiting here. If you are having any doubt, you just I'm waiting in the chat box. If you are having any doubt, you can turn on your microphone, you can ask. Any doubt? Okay, if you are not having any doubt, then I can move to the next one. So now the A, B, C, D and E should be converted to the binary value. Then only we can design the circuit. Okay, therefore I'm just going for the state assignment. Till now we saw state reduction. This particular title is talking about state assignment and state reduction. State reduction. Now we are going for the state assignment. For A, B, C, D and E, what are all the values we can assign? That we are going to see. So here there are several types of assignments. Here for example, I'm taking some 3 assignments. Out of these 3, I can take any kind of assignment. So now 5 values A, B, C, D and E are available. Normally we will be using the binary value for assigning states. So that is the first value, that is binary. Binary I'm taking. For A I'm assigning 0, for B it is 1, next 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So totally 5 states, 5 values from 0 to 4 I can assign. Or else I can go for some other type of assignments. In this particular case they are taking gray code. Gray code, as you know, the speciality here is that if you move from any number to any other number, only 1 bit of change you can observe. So that assignment also you can take into consideration for assigning binary values for this state. Or else this is called as one hot code. One hot code in the sense, at any given time in that particular sequence only one will be highlighted. So if you observe here, totally here 5 states available, therefore they are using 5 binary numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 binary numbers were available. So now here for the state A, the last bit is highlighted as 1. For B, the second is highlighted as 1, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so totally 5 things are available. If you observe some more value called as F, then you can increase the number of columns and you can increase the number of rows. So that is also possible in case of this assignment. It's not essential that only these 3 kind of assignments you can use here, but you can use any other kind of assignments also. So now the state I'm assigning for A as 000. I'm taking the first assignment. The assignment 1 is the binary assignment. So binary assignment for A it is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3 and E is 4. So if for A, if I'm giving the input 0, it is going to the next state called as 000. That is, it is staying in the same state, and it is producing the output as 0. Okay, so in this manner, what you can assign the present value, next value by replacing your alphabets into the binary values. Okay, with